Oh no, disaster. We have a leak. Yo, what is going on everybody? Welcome back to the build series by Sell Money. In today's episode, we've got to figure out what's going on here. I've come downstairs in the morning. To my horror, the bike is now leaking after trying to get it running. I actually managed to have a wee run yesterday. I'll put a video here. That's fucking high. Turn the idle down. So strip's gonna be in order, everything's coming back off again. There's been a break in between the videos at this point. I've spent a couple days just cleaning it. It's had like 5 washes in like a week or something. I got kind of carried away. So still got to do the brakes, bleed the oil. We've got a new battery coming because this one, I think this one's goosed. And now I've got this problem to fix as well. Great.
I am stupid. I am stupid.
I may have left the tap on the fuel tank and it flooded the carb.
Stupid!
What I've done here is I've taken the airbox out, and when I was taking it out, when I released it off this left side carb, there was fuel spilling out, so that's why that rag's there. So yeah, because the tap was left on and the bike's on its side stand, the left side I guess got it, so this filled up too much. I guess the airbox had some in it as well. The problem is, the cylinder might have filled up as well. Time to fix it, I guess. If I can do this successfully. Top tip to those that don't know, if your bike comes with a tap on the fuel tank, remember to turn it off when you're not using it. Jeez, you'll save yourself some work. Yo, that's cool though, look at that. That's how throttle works, opening the valves. I don't know why I'm excited about that, but that's quite cool. You probably can't see from there, but this is like swimming inside this left side. So I'm going to try and put it on its center stand. Yep. This is not playtime. That one's dry. That one flooded. So what have we got? We have the brake bleeding kit. The brake bleeding kit. Okay, baby, get ready for sucky, sucky. Sucky, sucky. I love you long time. Sucky, sucky. Alright, so it's in. Look at that. Good amount of fuel taken out that was just sitting on top. And nice. Right, so now time to reinstall the carburetors. So of course, what do you know, the bike develops more faults, the petcock and the fuel tank's now leaking, the carbs, I think the carbs need clean because the bike starts for a bit, it runs and then it cuts itself off, the throttle cuts it off. What's going on with this bike? It's not easy, it's not going straight forward. Up to about 20. I don't know if you can see there, starting to come through now. So look at the colour of that. It's supposed to be clear. What arrived in the post, we got the petcock repair kit, because this one's leaking, so we need to fix this. I've watched a little video and I think I know what I'm doing. Don't know if you can't see that, but this one's pretty worn. This thing just snapped as I took it off. It's all crusty as well. Look at this. Bit of crust in there. This thing wasn't looking too great either. Okay, that's us. Put it back on. Alright, so before I actually put it back together completely, let me just see if it works. Nope. This bike has been a giant pain in my arse. Oh, so the indicators aren't working. Right, blowing a fuse. Is it this really? The hell is this? Someone has actually gone and used a bit of copper wire to make the contact with that. Are you mad? New relay, more fuses. Let's go, baby. I swear, see if this gets it working alone. That would be amazing. Oh my, oh, dude, it works. Yo, so it actually might be a simple fix, you know, with the indicator not working. So what I did was I took this part of the loom, the little stretch that has all the joining wires with the indicators. I checked the earth, and then I checked the green wire. We got the green one here. We've got this tester thingamabob. Put one end like so. There's the other end here. Take it in this. I can do this with one hand today. See? So the noise is the connection. So what I'm going to do is try my best to get in here. So, hopefully now that I've sanded it, so you got the right one, moment of truth, please. Yes! Let's go, baby! Oh, Master Mechanic strikes again. Best in the business. No one can touch me, dude. I'm so good. That's hot. That's hot. Come on, man. Why you gotta do? Oh shit. Okay. What a mess. It's finally done. 6 weeks later, we have this.
Bitch, I'm taking off, I'm flowing out of space. Been too many